Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of Sketchbook Sunday and another Monster Hunter fan art video. I would get used to these if I were you guys, because like, I don't know, I really enjoy all the monster designs and the environments and all that stuff. I've always really liked that about Monster Hunter, but I really hated the 3DS game. It's the only one I got to play, and I really didn't like it. So the reason, I've always wanted to be into it because, like, I like monsters and it looks like it's a fun game if you, like, actually understand what's going on. But yeah, I bought this game assuming I would play it and, like, be done with it because, I don't know, I got told that all the stuff because I explained everything I hated about the 3DS one and everyone was just like, yeah, they fixed all that, like, this is way better, and I was like, alright, I'll get it. So I was only expecting to, like, regular like it, but I think it's one of my favorite games. So yeah, I've been having a lot of fun with that. This is just a little sketch of Legiana. I think that's how you pronounce her name. I think she's definitely my favorite so far, although people are telling me I'll like one of the further out monsters better, but I don't know. I think, I don't know, Legiana's a pretty solid first choice in my opinion. I really like her. I like the colors and the design, and her wings are so cool. Man, I love her. But yeah, there's not too much to say about this. It's like a simpler sketch, because Puki was so chaotic. I was like, all right, let's get the main shapes down and the main like textures or whatever, and then throw some simple shading on it. And I don't know, I didn't want to draw 3,000 scales again, so. Yeah, well, it's all good anyway, because she's more smooth than Puki is anyway. Yeah, there's a monster for everybody in this game. If you feel like drawing 1,000,000 tiny feathers, you go ahead. But if you want to draw like a smooth boy, you can find a smooth boy. But yeah, I'll just let you guys enjoy this video. I don't have too much else to say about it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video as much as I enjoyed making it, and I'll see you guys Wednesday.